Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Fiend. If you're into crypto, you probably know China's had a rocky relationship with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, banning them since 2013 and most recently in 2021. While the recent ban may feel like the final nail in the coffin, a couple of fresh reports on social media suggest otherwise. Word on the street is hinting that China might just unban Bitcoin. Are you intrigued? Let's dive in. China may be potentially looking to unban Bitcoin, according to certain reports on social media. Now, why has China, out of all countries, decided to do this? Does the recent banking crisis play a role in the potential unban of crypto? Could it be a possible solution to this turmoil in the banking sector? What does the unbanning of crypto in mainland China mean for the overall state of the market? First, let's set the stage and give you the skinny with a brief history of China's crypto ban. In 2013, China made its first move against crypto by banning banks from handling crypto transactions. They called Bitcoin a special virtual commodity that lacked legal backing. Then, in 2017, they went a step further by banning initial coin offerings, or ICOs. This was a bid to rescue a weakening yen and to stop money from flowing out of China illegally. By 2019, China's Development and Reform Commission labeled Bitcoin mining as an undesirable industry. They saw it as highly polluting and decided it should be restricted. In 2020, the focus shifted to crypto exchanges. The government aimed to block over 100 foreign websites offering crypto exchange services to crack down on money laundering and fraud. The most recent and significant ban came in 2021, when China decided to ban all crypto trading and mining. This was a major blow to the industry, as China was home to around 50% of the world's Bitcoin mining power. Many miners were forced to shut down or relocate to more crypto-friendly countries. The above events really shifted the mentality of the majority of crypto Twitter to never really take any of China's bans very seriously. And I quote, "They have banned it like 6 times and nothing has happened. The same thing will happen when they unban it multiple times," one poster noted. But there are several industry observers who are still optimistic about China's potential Bitcoin U-turn. In an interview with the Post last month, Brock Pierce, co-founder of Tether, stated he also believes China opening up to crypto is a matter of when and not if. He and others argue that tokenization could be a lifeline for China amid rising geopolitical risks, especially if the US imposes financial restrictions. But here's the twist. Despite all these bans, possession of Bitcoin has never been illegal in China. In fact, China remains the second largest Bitcoin mining hub. So why all the flip-flopping? On July 14th, Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz took to social media to share that he's been hearing reports suggesting China is likely to unban Bitcoin by late 2024. But why now? Could the recent banking crisis be a factor? Let's look at the numbers. China's banking sector is facing serious challenges. About 3,800 banking institutions are under threat, with total assets of 4.5 trillion. These banks have been poorly managed and have accumulated vast amounts of bad loans. The clock is ticking for China, with many Chinese citizens and even entire regions drowning in debt. Professor Wang Yang from Hong Kong University of Science and Technology has been vocal about the issue. He called China's crypto mining ban unwise, as it drove business to the US, boosting their tax income instead. He suggested that state-owned enterprises should take shares in domestic crypto mining farms to control capital outflows and money laundering. Wang also floated the idea of tokenization as an answer for China amid increasing decoupling risks. If former US President Donald Trump retakes office, China could be removed from the SWIFT financial messaging system or at least face restrictions, Wang said. If that's the case, the market could open up, he added. However, there's skepticism. Yifan He, CEO of Red Date Technology, insists China won't allow its citizens to trade Bitcoin with the local currency by stating it's not going to happen, period. Miko Otama from Trading Strategy echoes this, pointing out that cryptocurrencies further democratize finance and enable capital flight for middle and low-income classes. Whoever suggests this has no slight idea why China bans Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, he told Cointelegraph. Capital flight basically means a large-scale departure of financial assets and capital from a nation due to events such as political or economic instability. But with China's banking sector in turmoil, could crypto offer a lifeline? Reintroducing crypto could bring in fresh money, re-establish ICOs, and adjust their stance on mining, potentially stabilizing the economy. Of course, the Chinese banking sector and overall economy are in a huge pile of mess. But the reintroduction of crypto doesn't necessarily fix the entire situation, but certainly helps slow the bleeding by bringing in additional cash into the economy and by reducing cash flight, using state-owned enterprises to regulate all the crypto operators. So guys, what are your thoughts? Will the reintroduction of crypto to China's 1 billion population and involvement of the bigger institutions in the Chinese province prove to be beneficial to the crypto industry? I definitely think it will. But I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know down below in the comments, and don't forget to join our Telegram group where we discuss topics like these on the daily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.